traffic jam looks like.
It's gonna be busy up there.
All right, we are going four-wheeling in Indonesia up a volcano trail, and this is our ride.
Apakah jendela ini bisa ke bawah? Ini bisa ke bawah?
The spare tire looks like it's had it. Huh? Here we go. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, you've been four-wheeling before? Yeah? Nothing's gonna fall out of my pockets.
I will see you in your morning.
Alright, so we are going to be going on a four-wheel drive trail, and we are in an old Jeep Willys. Maybe like from the 40s or something, we're thinking. Perhaps an old military Jeep.
So if you have a hammer, right, and the handle breaks, you replace the handle, then the head falls off and you lose it, so you replace the head. Do you still have the same hammer?
Probably not.
How much of a vehicle has to be original for the camera hangs upside down? It holds up one head. My door popped open and it fell right out.
So here we are at the, what's the name of this volcano?
This is Merapi.
Merapi Volcano. It's erupted quite a few times in recent years. 2004 it erupted, 2006 it erupted, 2010 it erupted and burned down a whole village, killed a bunch of people. And here we are at the base of it. It's still got a lot of smoke coming out the top. And who knows? Don't know if it's going to erupt again or not. It probably will. It's been erupting every couple years. Last time it erupted, it blew out the side. You can see where it blew out the side, and all this came down, totally changed the shape of the mountainside. But this is north of Yogyakarta.
Yep, that's Yogyakarta.
In fact, that's Yogyakarta out there. If you can see it through the smog, that is the city of Yogyakarta way down there.
Right here, see? These hills right here. You see those dead trees right over there? Right on the other side of that is where we got on the Jeep.
Down through that kind of gully in the mountains right over there is where we came from originally. Taking our Jeep tour up the mountain, up the volcano. In our 1940s Willys 2-wheel drive Army Jeep. Looked like the front wheels were about to fall off. They were shaking back and forth so much as we were tracking up the mountain. Okay, Jewel, you will love this. We are in just below a volcano, this little shop, and we are found some food, and we bought this right here. Ampayang Jahi Merapi. Merapi is just the name of the volcano, but it's like your peanut brittle, but a little bit softer. But they make it, there's ginger in it as well. They add ginger into it, and it is delicious. You would love this.
To bring them back.
Mmm. That's so good.